Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.